Hi, I'm Ben Morgan with Current Yachts. Come with me to take a look at Captivating, a 38-foot 2021 Axopar Brabus. Some boats follow the crowd. The 2021 Axopar 38 Brabus leads it. With its bold Scandinavian design, signature Brabus styling, and exhilarating performance, this is a boat built to turn heads before it even reaches the dock. The expansive deck layout was designed to bring people together. Whether you're entertaining friends, chasing the next adventure, or spending a full day on the water, every space is thoughtfully designed, offering the perfect balance of comfort, versatility, and just open air freedom. Once you step below the deck, you'll find a refined cabin that delivers premium comfort without sacrificing style, making weekend getaways just as enjoyable as the ride there. This isn't just another boat, it's the one everyone remembers. Contact us today and schedule your private showing.